My name is Zahari Baha, a fourth-year student at Lyceum Northwestern University, pursuing a bachelor's degree in information technology. I am currently in my fifth year in college, as I initially spent one semester studying marine transportation during my freshman year, before shifting to my current program. Before starting my internship at Strashan, my technical skills were quite limited. Our university offers different tracks for IT and graphic design, and because of that structure, I was not able to fully focus on mastering a single speculation. Instead, I gained basic knowledge across multiple areas, but lacked depth, particularly in web development and graphic design. This made it difficult for me to feel confident in applying my skills in real time and real world situations. I also struggled with consistency and practicing due to time constraints and occasional lack of motivation, which further affected my growth. As a result, I often felt uncertain about the quality of my work, especially in graphic design, where I had less hands on experience. At that time, I would describe myself as an average student, around 6 out of 10 in terms of both skill level and confidence. So, despite this, I knew I had the potential to improve, but I just needed the right environment and opportunities to develop my abilities further. My tasks in digital marketing have been enjoyable and challenging. I was able to develop and improve my skills in graphic design and video editing through hands-on work. However, one of the main challenges I faced was coming up with fresh concepts or themes, as well as selecting appropriate background music that matches the situation and aligns with the brand identity. By walking through these challenges, I was able to strengthen my critical thinking and improve my attention to detail. Overall, this experience has been more engaging and fulfilling than I initially expected. The IT team was the most challenging part of my internship as it placed the most pressure on me. However, it was also a rewarding experience because I was able to explore and use new tools that helped me adapt to modern technologies. This exposure broadened my perspective in web development. For example, in back-end development, I learned how to secure and test systems properly. While in front-end development, I experienced more advanced processes that I found both fun and engaging to work with. Overall, despite the pressure, it became one of the most valuable and enjoyable parts of my internship. Overall, my internship experience in both digital marketing and IT was both challenging and highly rewarding. In digital marketing, I was able to enhance my skills in graphic design and video editing through practical, hands-on tasks, while also improving my critical thinking and attention to detail. Despite the challenges in developing fresh concepts and selecting suitable music aligned with the brand identity. On the other hand, the IT team exposed me to more technical and demanding work, where I gained valuable experience in both front-end and back-end development, including system testing, security, and modern web tools. Although it came with pressure, it significantly broadened my understanding of web development. Overall, both experiences contributed greatly to my personal and professional growth, making my internship more meaningful, engaging, and fulfilling than expected. As everything comes to an end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my mentors, especially to Sir Francis, who helped me and improved me and also encouraged me to push through self doubt. To Ma'am Jen and Ma'am Christila, thank you for your patience and guidance with my media assets and reels, even when I felt they were not yet presentable. I truly appreciate your understanding and support, and I would like to also thank my co-interns for always helping me whenever I struggled with my tasks. And lastly, to Strastan, especially to Sir Mark. Thank you for giving us the opportunity and privilege to work and learn under your guidance. This has been a meaningful experience that I will never forget. Thank you very much.